I'm Sean McClintock with RE/MAX here on Vancouver Island, and we are on site at Terrace Beach Resort. Sales are set to commence June 1st to June 5th, and tours by appointment will be May 24th to May 30th. Come with us while I take you on a tour of this construction site, unit number 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we hear from the construction manager for Island Creek Developments.
Hi, how you doing? My name is Al Benjamin. I'm one of the owners here at Terrace Beach Resort. When I first saw the property, I just couldn't believe it. As you can see behind me, it's absolutely spectacular. We handpicked actually a company that specializes in timber frame construction and this type of product.
All our post and beam, originally most of these were built with 4x4, which is actually undersized. So when we rebuilt our decks, we went to a typical 6x6 rough milled cedar, unplaned, which is definitely a super cool feel. Another nice aspect of it too is we upsized all of our beams and did traditional cabin cuts on everything to make it feel a little bit more homey West Coast.
Luckily, we actually were able to find a local roofer that has been doing a phenomenal job, and he's been working with us as we go along. All of the houses on the ocean have now they're all done. They've already been roofed, and again, that was Edge Roofing, local roofer, and he just came super highly recommended, which has just been awesome. It's one of the first things you see when you drive up to the resort, and I just love them. Just love them. We're probably about 85% done now, and we're looking forward to seeing the finished product.
As mentioned, sales start June 1st to June 5th. Tours are by appointment May 24th to May 30th. Reach out to your real estate agent to book a tour, or a member of my client care team would be happy to assist.